Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth part of the Law of Attraction Challenge. Focus and Expansion Experiment. Whatever you focus on expands. This time, the experiment doesn't require any props, just our powerful minds. Remember the law of attraction I shared before? Today we're going to use this law to do a little experiment and see if we can use our thoughts to attract what we want into our lives.
Your thoughts are extremely powerful, but the FP does not only respond to your prayers. Let me emphasize again. The field of energy responds to all your thoughts, whether conscious or unconscious, and these opposing thoughts are always in conflict.
Experiment principle.
The core principle of the law of attraction is thoughts become things. Our thoughts have powerful energy, and if we can focus and firmly think about something, it's very likely to happen. The more energy you put into it, the more excited you feel. The shorter the time it takes for your thoughts to become reality. Of course, this doesn't mean we can just close our eyes and daydream. We also need to take some actions, such as clarifying our goals and maintaining a positive mindset, etc.
Experiment steps.
Step 1. Clarify your goal. First, we need to clarify our goal. What do you want to attract into your life? It can be a specific item or an abstract experience. In this experiment, all you need to use is the power of your thoughts to attract something into your life. You need to establish an intention to bring something into your life. You can specify the brand and model if you want. Since you only have 48 hours, it's best to decide on your goal and not let it easily distract your thoughts back to the past.
For this experiment, my goal is to receive a loving gift or kindness within 48 hours, even though I don't even have a romantic partner, haha.
This is a negative thought, erase it. Step 2. Focus and stay positive. Next, we need to maintain a positive mindset. Believe that your goal will definitely come true, and don't worry or doubt yourself.
What you need to do is to believe in yourself 100%, overcoming the usual thinking patterns that people are accustomed to.
Step 3. Imagine and feel. Single-mindedness is our goal. You must firmly believe that what you decided has already happened. You must feel that it has already come to you. You just need to line up the imaginations in your mind, or concentrate all your thoughts like a laser. Now, close your eyes and imagine that you have already received that thing. Imagine what they look like, what color they are. Try to feel this joy as much as possible, as if you really received what you wanted. I will invest my whole heart into this, and remember what Abraham Hicks said. Building a castle is as easy as making a button.
Are you ready? Have you decided what you want now? Just write down what you want in the comment. So these are all the steps of this experiment. Next, let's wait and see, what will you get in 2 days? And will I successfully attract this loving gift? I will share my experiment results in the next video.
Remember, the most important thing is to believe in yourself and your ability to create your own reality.
Of course, this experiment is just an example. You can try using the law of attraction to achieve other goals. I often use this deadline approach to attract my ideal job, and it works every time. There is also a lab report doc in the description for you to take notes. If you like my video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Also, feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.